Hey fam, what's up? It's your girl, and I'm gonna show you guys today the Temu app. I always forget how to say that. I'm not good with it. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick how we can get unlimited coins on it, and you can actually redeem those coins, as you know, for money on that app. So follow along with me. All right, so I'm going to open up my Temu app, and you can see it's right here on my phone, and I have everything. You can see all the things that I've been looking at recently on Valentine's Day deal, 90% off. Everything's already cheap, and free returns, all that cool stuff. So here's my profile, and you can see it's actually me, and here's my cart. This is everything I have going on. It's all my real stuff. There's my jeans and my screen protector, all that stuff. So we're gonna go right here, and we're going to enter into the search bar. We're going to put redeem, because that's how we get our coins. We're going to put redeem into there and search that. That's going to take us to our redeem coins screen. And from there, if you look, you're going to see I have about 240,000 coins. And if you look right next to it though, there's a little button there that says redeem cash, and right above it, it says add coins. And that's where the magic all happens. So I want you guys to watch what happens when I press that button right now. So I'm going to press the button, and it went up to 250,000, and I press it again, 260,000. I'm gonna press it, and I can keep going with it. I'm gonna press it again, 270, and then I can keep pressing it again and again. I'm gonna press it again, and it's gonna go to 280,000, and that's all real coins that you can actually use to buy stuff on Temu, and it's so cool. I'm gonna show you. But I am so cool about this. See, you can see your star coins have gone up on the actual redeem screen. And I have 280, just like it said before. And that's super cool. I have I don't know, maybe $6 to spend. I know it's not a lot, but if you keep pressing that button, it's gonna add up. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can do this for yourself. And you guys can do this too if you follow along with what I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna go to our Safari app on your Apple iPhone or whatever phone you're using. Just go to your search app, and you're going to look up our favorite app. You all know what it is. It's called Tweak Valley, and the Tweak Valley app has so many apps on it. I love it, but I'm just gonna go right back up, and I'm just going to search in the search bar for the Temu app. And we're gonna click on that and put search and enter Temu, and there it is. You're just gonna put allow. Click allow on that right there, and then you're just gonna close on the profile downloaded. Close it up. And from there, you're just gonna close out of that, and you're gonna go to your settings app. So I want you guys to open that with me. Open up your settings app and go to profile downloaded, and you're going to click on the Temu app install. Okay, and then just click next. Oops, my bad. All right, and now we're just gonna click done and go back, exit out, and there you have it. Your